All right, we're going to run you through setting up a Diigo account. And again, Diigo is basically just social bookmarking, being able to access your bookmarks anywhere, and also being able to collaborate and share your bookmarks. And so what we're going to take a look at here is Diigo.com, Diigo.com. And where you're going to go first is down here in the right, where it says Educator Get Started Here. Click on that. And basically this just allows you a little more space, gives you just a little bit of an upgrade, tells you what you get here with the Educator account. And so what it's going to allow you to do is log in and apply for your Educator upgrade. And so you get to this point, and the neat thing here, depending on if you're comfortable, you can just sign in either with Facebook, Twitter, a Google account, a Yahoo account, or an OpenID. And so if you have either one of those, you can just click on Google and away it goes. If you don't have any of those things, just create a Diigo account now and click on down here on the right. But if you have one of those, just click on those and put in your credentials, and it'll automatically fill in everything for you from those accounts. But if you don't, just click on create a new account down here on the bottom, and then just go through the process of username and password. Just remember that your username will go on the end of your URL. So for instance, if I go to Diigo.com, my username is bramo, and I type in Diigo.com/bramo, then that's an easy way to access my bookmark. Sorry, user/bramo. Forgot to put the user in there, and then so you can see that that's what that is. Okay, and so that will be your username when you sign in. That will go on the end of your URL. Okay, and so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to sign in, since I already have an account. Sign in. I use Google, and a lot of times it doesn't even sign you out. And so once you sign in, you should be good to go. And so what I would do here is just hit pause, and then go through the creating your account, getting that set up. And then once you're done with that, come back to this video here and hit play. Alright, once you get into your account, what you want to take a look at is yours isn't going to look like mine because I already have my bookmarks and things in here. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to scroll all the way down to the bottom until I get to this bottom part here. And what I'm going to show you here is actually a way to bookmark things easily and quickly and efficiently. For instance, I'm going to go to the Minnesota Department of Ed, and I have not bookmarked this page. Okay, and I know that because up here in the upper right hand corner I have a little tool here, an extension they call it, in my browser. And so the browser that I'm using here is Google Chrome, and I highly suggest if you're not using Google Chrome, you update, because you can get this extension here easily in Google Chrome. And so what this extension allows me to do is, once I'm at this web page, I just click on the D, and up pops these things here. Okay, now I can highlight on this page, I can add sticky notes, I can just share this page, but what I'm going to do is I'm actually just going to bookmark this page. And I just usually leave all these things the same: URL, title, description, and the only thing I ever do is tag. And what these tags do is it's a way to categorize or classify your and organize your bookmarks. And so this is an education. This is from the state. This is also standards, Minnesota, whatever. And just hit save. Okay. Now I see the little red bookmark. That has told me that I have bookmarked this site before. So if I go back to my library and I refresh, there's MDE. Okay, right there. And so if you were looking through my bookmarks, you would see this. Click on MDE and it would bring you there. Okay. If you're not using Google Chrome, you can also put it on Firefox, Internet Explorer, things like that. But I highly suggest switching over to Chrome and using it, because you just click on the bottom there and Diigo Chrome extension, and this will come up. And then you just add to Chrome. Okay, there's a little button up here. I've already added it, and so you can't see. But if I click on this, then it'll give me this little blue box up here. And the first time you click on it, it'll just ask you to sign in to your account, probably. Then from there, you can go along and you can go to if we go to for instance, so just type it out. Go to the American, the association here, the AAFCS. And let's say I want to bookmark this, then I just go, this is a great website. I want to share that with people. I just click here and bookmark. And this one's going to act up here a little bit because of this image. Sometimes they hide behind these images, see, as you go through there. And so I just bring it down here. And it allows me to set this up. So this is already been populated for me. I hit save. Now that's bookmarked back into my Diigo, and I refresh, and there it is. Okay. Now other people can search through my bookmarks, looking over here along the left-hand side, searching through my tags, things like that. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to connect with other people. And so when you're done getting set up, bookmark a couple things, come back and watch video number 2.